putting away our
language that we usually speak.
Not able to speak Hindi.
We are mixing it. Urdu.
Hello everyone. Hello. How are you all? Fine, and you? I'm also good. So I'm the student of this institute. So today we are going to play the debate in Hindi versus English. So my team is supporting English and our opponent team is supporting Hindi. So let's start the debate from opponent team.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you that Hindi is much more important than English, because in our country right now in India, we are speaking Hindi in our daily life and at our house also. But we are giving too much importance to the English language, because we are thinking English is everything. Wherever we will go, we will speak English. But still, we are putting away our own culture. We are putting away our own mother language.
If Hindi is that much important, so why are you speaking English right now? Why? And why are you learning the English if Hindi is that much important? And do you know how much hard it is to speak Hindi? You are talking about the local language that we usually speak, Hindi. You are talking about that.
Okay, so ma'am, may I know about your nationality?
It is your local language.
Okay, so may I know about your nationality? Are you not Indian? The second thing is that you are talking about it is too much hard. So since your childhood you are speaking Hindi. Even your parents, your relatives, your colleagues, your friends, everyone are speaking Hindi. The second thing is that Hindi language is literally important because it's our mother tongue. Apart from it, if you are not able to speak Hindi, so I don't think so you should live here. Apart from it, English language is just for a professional.
Yes, ma'am, as you are saying that we are speaking Hindi, for a kind information that we don't speak the proper Hindi. That we are mixing it. Urdu, Farsi and a lot of language that we are mixing in it, and we are making it local. You can't speak the proper Hindi language.
Oh my God, sir, thank you for telling me that. First listen my point. You have already spoken. Okay. So first of all, listen to me. Are you speaking proper English? Oh my God, you are a very good speaker. You are American, British, very good, sir. You are becoming a very good speaker. First of all, understand what you are saying. You are not speaking proper English also. You are talking about the Hindi. You are at your household. Are you speaking with your mother in English? Mom, I want
First of all, listen to me.
She will not understand.
First of all, listen to me. In his age, that what he is speaking right. And the capability of his, you can't even. In his age, you can't even able to speak Hindi as well. Okay, and you're talking about the Hindi, mother tongue. First of all, speak the proper Hindi, then tell me that you are speaking mother tongue. Okay.
Okay, so second thing is that, ma'am, you are talking about the proper Hindi, so you need to understand you are speaking English. It's a proper English because there are several Greek words are there which you are using it. Apart from it, you are talking about the Hindi language is not that much good and you are comparing the age. So at that time, you need to be understand. Previously, we are using Sanskrit, not Hindi, right? Apart from it, right now we are saying English for only professionally. After the professional work, we are not able to speak Hindi. Even we are with friends.
As you, what you are doing? Speaking English and blaming English. This is a right way? I don't think that this is the right way, that you are speaking it and again that you are blaming it. This is not a right way. And if you would go for getting any interview, then you will find the capabilities of English language, the fan following of English language that I want to mention to you. And I can speak the proper English language.
Oh my God, sir, you are speaking proper English language. Thank you for telling me that, because I cannot understand what kind of sentences you are making. You are not even using the proper vocabulary. So please try to understand what you are saying before saying anything. And you are saying at your home, are you speaking this? Are you speaking that? Why are you speaking English? At your home, are you speaking English? No, your mother and father won't understand. You are speaking Hindi because that is the language that everyone is able to understand.
Our parents are feeling proud on ourselves that we are speaking English because they can see how much we are enhancing our knowledge and our skill. Because English is that thing that can enhance our knowledge and skill, both of them. Because you are not getting it because you are learning the English and you can see the difference, but still you are blaming that what you are doing, eating in that plate, and
okay,
you are
so
just
that's why we are saying we are learning English. That's why I say how much Hindi is important. Apart from it, you are talking about Hindi language is not good. So at that time, you need to be understand the value of Hindi language. Even there are several exams are there. Even the Hindi language, those person who are speaking Hindi, those, for example, UP person, Haryana, Bihar, that kind of person, they are very hardworking. Even they are not getting chance just because of the British culture. You are supporting the British culture, brother. And just because you are shouting, you think you are right, so you are not. Even you need to be understand what kind of point you are saying.
Now I will tell you the fan following of English, my dear brother, that if you will go to get an interview, then you will get a package. If you are having a great knowledge about English, then you will get a package of 1 lakh. 50,000, that kind of package that you would get.
You will only get happy in 50,000. Go to the UPSC, give the interview in the Hindi. You will get a lot more than, you will only understand the 50,000. Oh, I will go to the international company, I will get the 50,000. You are happy with that, but we are not. We are giving importance to our Hindi. We will give the UPSC exam and we will get 2 lakhs package. So that's what the difference between us
If
and
you are
you,
that
sir.
much
Try to
interested in
understand that.
UPSC exam, so just go and give the UPSC exam. Why are you here? Why are you speaking in English and why you are learning? Why? Just give me the answer. And instead of speaking like English is this, English is that, first of all, come on the point that why you are learning the English, why you are learning here.
Okay, so ma'am, you are saying why we are not giving the exam, because we are preparing it. Apart from it, you are saying why we are coming here for understand the English language, because it's a global language, it's our skill, not our language. Apart from it, we are prefer Hindi language. And then apart from it, you are talking about the 50,000. So my partner also gave you the answer. We are not satisfied in 50,000. We are satisfied with more than 50,000, right? Apart from it, brother, you need to be listen. You are talking about the exam. So there are several exams who are conducted in
Now I
Hindi.
will tell you, means as you are saying your Hindi is very good language. Give me a specific country name in which they were speaking Hindi. Give me a name of any specific country except India. Do you have? Nothing. But English is a global language that you can find everywhere. And everywhere, if you don't know, means if the foreign people don't.
That's the difference between us,
Ma'am,
sir. We are
that's
not
my point.
developing.
If a foreign person don't know about Hindi, they can speak in English and they can communicate.
Okay,
with us
let's come
in
to your
Hindi.
poor person. First of all, try to understand we are not developing. Why we are not developing? We are trying to adapt the Western culture. If you will go to the Korea, China, France, they are giving importance to their own language. They are not thinking that we will keep the English language and we will try to give the interviews in the English. We will try to give the importance to those companies, those who are conducting English interviews. And you are asking me the answer of that your question, right? So first of all, let me tell you that first of all, why did you learn Hindi first of all, and then you are learning English? First of all, you tried to speak English, Hindi at your home. You learned English. You know how to speak English, Hindi, and at your home, and you learn
First
from
of
the
all,
schools.
just get to know what is Hindi. Okay, that you are talking about. You are talking about the local language that we usually speak in front of everyone. Okay, and if you are talking about the English, so in each and every sector, in each and every job sector, we need English. And you are talking about the government and the UPSC exams, so in that we also need to speak English. Because if you will speak
Okay, so
English
ma'am,
in
here
front
you
of...
are wrong, because you need to collect some knowledge. It's depend on you what kind of language you will choose, right? It's a alternate. Apart from it, Hindi language is far easy because you can express your views. Even English language, if you have to think a lot, what can I say about past, present, future? But while speaking Hindi, we don't need to think about, because we are since childhood we are speaking that language. Apart from it, you both guys are studying a lot in English. So how could you say it in a English language is that much good? Apart from it, when you talk to me in Hindi, so I will not never stuck. Apart from it, I will stuck in English because
Now I
the reason
will
is
tell you
the English
that
language.
I want to tell you the value of English. That I want to continue my point. Did you means I want to get answer except India? In which country we will speak Hindi? In which country that we are speaking Hindi? Give me an answer and I want an answer immediately. That I want answer. Give me the answer, brother. And about English, English is very fantabulous language. Even that the means English is the language of England. And as ma'am you are saying that we are adopting Western culture. Yes, we are adopting Western culture to develop ourselves, to grow ourselves, to be
वास्तविकता के साथ जागो सर, वास्तविकता के साथ जागो. Try to understand what you are doing. You are degrading your own country. You are not giving that importance. You are saying we are Indian, we are Indian. In your mother tongue you will always write Hindi, and for your skill you will always write English, because you are not perfect in English. You have to understand. You are asking me for the answer. Nepal is trying to communicate in English. They are still adapting the Hindi language. They are still in that language. They are giving
You are
importance to
telling
their own
us,
language. They are not
excuse
thinking
me,
we will
you
try
are
to
telling
speak the
us
English and English.
वास्तविकता के साथ जागो. First of all, teach yourself that you are wearing Western dress. Just teach yourself that thing, okay? And the thing is that English is that thing that can help us in each and every sector. And you're not coming on the point. You're just blaming the English. What is the benefit of speaking Hindi? Just tell me the single benefit of speaking Hindi. Where you can speak English. You can go out of country. You can speak English there. No, you can't, because nobody's gonna understand your language. Nobody's gonna understand what are you speaking. But in English, we can communicate with each. Doesn't matter we are in Korea, doesn't matter we are in America, France, doesn't matter.
Okay, so
we can
you
speak
want
with, we can communicate with each and every
the
person.
qualities of Hindi language. So I'll tell you, the first thing is you can express easily. The second thing is that you can do whatever you want to do. The third thing is that if there is any kind of problem in a local area, you can understand easily. You can take the example of our politicians. They are not speak English. Why? They don't have knowledge about it. They have, but they use Hindi language. Why? Because they can express easily. Apart from it, you can say the IAS officer, IPS. They don't have knowledge about English. They have, but when they are come from the problem, they are coming to a local area. They are speaking Hindi.
Now
Why? The reason is that because they want to solve that problem. They want to overcome from there.
Even our
You need
prime
to be
minister
understand,
said. Even our prime minister said that we need to learn English because English is a kind of skill, and English is that language that can help us in development. In any interview that you are going for cracking in MNC company, you will get job. Even you can means if you are speaking that much English and you are having skill related to it, you can get job in Google also.
Your
Now
life
tell
is
me.
always
Ma'am, first
revolving
listen my
around the
point.
MNC
First,
companies.
Listen my point that
Speak.
that English is very fantastic language, and I want to tell you how the most of the capabilities of
You
English.
yourself
that
said,
you
sir.
that you